Yeah, I mean, there's been so many changes over the years in user behavior that it's almost hard to know where to begin, really. I mean, from rise of mobile and the demise of Flash, that you go back even further, and users didn't used to scroll on websites, and that confused them. So there's been lots of changes over the years. I think more recently some of the bigger changes that I've seen have been around expectations. I think it was some senior executive at IBM once said something that I think is very true, which is the last best experience somebody has anywhere online becomes their minimum expectation for all future experiences.
Hmm.
And I think that that's very true and very unfair in many ways, because people look at the free tools they get from people like Google and Dropbox and Zoom and all of these different platforms out there, and that becomes their minimum expectation of every experience that they have online. And of course, we don't all have the budgets and the manpower of Google and Facebook and people like that, but those are the kinds of expectations we're seeing in users, and their expectations are they're very demanding in terms of the length of time they're willing to commit to you before they make a judgment call on whether you're worth their attention. They are very unforgiving about obstacles and barriers in their ways. I don't know why I'm saying they, like there's some other people. We're all users ultimately. And if you just think about your own behavior, how often you just go, oh, this is annoying, and you give up on it and walk away from it. So I think that's the biggest thing, is how much people's expectations have gone up, how quickly people will dismiss one option and go and look at another. That's really struck me over recent years.